Hi, I'm Officer Keith Staten with the West Chester Police Department, and I'd like to take some time to talk to you about responsible gun ownership. As the saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. The same goes for owning a gun. It's the duty of all gun owners to properly train with and maintain the security of their firearms at all times. In efforts to promote responsible gun ownership throughout the community, West Chester Police offers these gun locks, safety locks, to residents free of charge. Let me show you how they work. Prior to putting the gun lock on your weapon, make sure that the chamber is empty. With a semi-automatic pistol, the very first practice is to remove the magazine. Make sure that it's set aside somewhere to where you're not going to pick it back up. Clear the chamber, making sure that there's absolutely nothing in there, and use your slide lock lever in order to make sure that the chamber is empty. You can also do a field test to make sure nothing's in there if you have low light conditions. After you've made sure that your weapon is safe and that the ammunition has been separated from it, take your lock, remove one side, run it through the magazine well and out through the ejection port, fasten it on the other side, turn the key, and remove the key from the lock. At that point, you can allow the slide to go back towards its home position so it doesn't weaken the springs in the weapon. Now your weapon is safe to be stored in either a lockbox, a safe, or your original pistol case.